welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lori B. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back.
Cooking.
So in today's video, it's going to be kind of like a uni unboxing, just seeing what I'm doing for uni. So I am starting uni in September. Yes, I know that is like kind of nerve-wracking, but I have loads of things to prepare for. So right now in this video, I'm going to be unboxing, drumroll please, this new MacBook Pro that I received for uni in September, and I got it in space grey. So, oh, that is a big box. And this is just one of many things that I've got, but I will do many videos so you guys can see. What we've got is there. It's really heavy. So how are we gonna do this? I'm so excited to start unboxing this. I've been using my sister's one for a long while and she's been nagging at me like, oh Lauren, give me back my laptop. So I'm so happy that now I have my own. Oh, I'm super excited. Let's shake this out. Okay. There we go. I love the colour. Oh, I'm super excited. Now she can stop shouting at me and telling me to give her back her laptop. So, this is new. I've not seen this before. Okay. I'm guessing this is the adapter and the charging port. So just like plug it in there and that's how it works. And here we have a really long cord. So, oh my, I'm super happy. Now let's put this apart. This is how it looks. Let's take the sheet off. That is super cool. It's so shiny. I'm like in love with this color, you guys. So here on the box, I'm just going to read you some specs that it has. So it has.
Use English as the main language. Press the return button.
What was that? Let's do this.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
That scared me. I'll get back to that later. So let me just read you the specs that it has. So I have got the 13-inch MacBook Pro in space grey, and it comes with a Facetime Hd Camera, it comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it comes with a full-size backlit magical keyboard, headphone jack and stereo speaker.
Press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch.
That is noisy. It also comes with a pre-installed Mac OS. It comes with a display key, which I will show you now, which is this really cool display key right here. So that can give you like shortcuts if you want to do the brightness or anything, or turn it down, the volume. Let's turn it back up. The volume and all that. So that'll just make doing stuff so much easier. And it also comes with a fingerprint scanner, which is at the side here. Oh, I'm super excited. And another thing that I got from Apple is this USB adapter, which I'm very happy that I got. Another thing that I got, you guys, is these AirPods with the charging case. And I'm not endorsed by Apple, but Apple is doing a fantastic student package where you can get a MacBook Pro or any MacBook with AirPods. If you're going to uni or if you're doing some further education, I highly recommend getting into Apple before September and getting this package. Now I'm going to go into setting up my new MacBook Pro for you guys. So now I just need to put in my Wi-Fi network. So let me do that now. Oh, I need a password. Give me a second. Oh. So I've just typed in my Wi-Fi password, just waiting for that to connect. This is so exciting, you guys. Oh, I just love the colour. Tell me if you like this colour, because I know there's the space grey and there's the lighter grey, which I think is just called like normal grey. And tell me in the comment section below which colour is your favourite, because that would be really interesting to know. Okay, now I'm typing my password. No, password's wrong. Oh! Sorry guys, I had to go and get my phone because I forgot my password. So let's do this again. Okay. Now I'm just waiting for a code that they just sent me. So and Okay, terms and conditions. So I need to do this. Do you agree? Yes, I do. Now let me just enter my new password. I'm just going to write my password down. So let me just write my password down, because like a brain like mine, I'm going to forget, and that is not the one for 2020. So and while I'm doing that, the iCloud is just setting up my account. This is taking long. I need to do my Touch ID, which I'm going to do now. And it works exactly the same as at your phone Touch ID, so nothing different. Okay, so that's done. Let me press continue. Now it's loading again, so it's just a waiting game. And okay, now it's asking me for Apple Pay, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to do that. Now it's asking me, choose your look. I can either go for a light, dark or auto background. And I think I'm going to go for dark for now. So this is how the dark looks. And this is how the light looks. Let's see how auto looks. Okay, auto is exactly the same as, I think I'm gonna go for something different. I'm probably gonna go for dark, because dark looks really nice. And it's loading again. So much loading screens. Okay, just bear with me for a bit. It says setting up your MacBook. Finally! Whew. It's been a long time. So I have just finished setting up my MacBook Pro, and finally, now I don't have to use my sister's and it doesn't have to nag at me all the time. So I'm going to play around with this, even though like I'm already used to a MacBook because I use my sister's. But if you guys have any questions about the package or about this MacBook Pro, make sure you comment it in the comment section below and I'll answer all your questions. That's from me, Laurie B. Laurie B. Laurie B. Laurie B.